Now today's topic is fertilization. This is the main topic, fertilization. Now what is fertilization? Fertilization is fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. And what are the events occur in this fertilization? Now this look, growing pollen tube. It enters into the embryo sac, that means female gametophyte. This pollen tube bursts and release nuclei. One tube nuclei which becomes degenerate and two male gametes which acts as sperm. Slightly we see here pollen tube entry, through which place pollen tube enters. This is embryo sac, and when pollen tube enters through micropyle called porogamy, P-O-R-O-G-A-M-Y, porogamy. When this micropyle enters through chalaza called as chalazogamy, C-H-A-L-A-Z-O, chalazogamy. And when this micropyle enters through integument called mesogamy, M-E-S-O, meso, G-A-M-Y, mesogamy. Now two male gametes are released. One male gamete, that means sperm, both the male gametes are haploid. One male gamete fuse with the egg. Egg is also haploid. This fusion is known as true fertilization or syngamy or amphimixis. Is known as true fertilization or syngamy or amphimixis, when male gamete fuse with the egg. Another male gamete when fused with the polar nuclei, this is diploid and this is haploid. This is known as triple fusion. Because two polar nuclei fuse and one male gamete is fused. This is known as triple fusion. And after triple fusion, endosperm is formed. After triple fusion, primary endosperm nucleus is formed, which divide to form primary endosperm cell and later on form endosperm. This endosperm is triploid. What is triploid? That means three set of chromosomes are found. In this case, after syngamy, diploid zygote is formed. This is diploid. Two set of chromosome is found. This diploid zygote develop into embryo. This endosperm provide nutrition to developing embryo. That means the function of endosperm is provide nutrition to developing embryo. This is the flow chart of fertilization in the angiospermic plants. Now, few points. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. It was discovered by Strasbergen in 1884. But double fertilization was discovered by Namastian, N-A-W-A-S-C-H-I-N, Namastian, N-A-W-A-S-C-H-I-N, Namastian, 1898 in Fritillaria and Lilium plant. This is the characteristic feature of angiosperm. Yes, this is the characteristic feature of angiospermic plants, double fertilization and triple fusion. Here, one sperm fused with the egg cell to form zygote. This is diploid zygote. This is known as syngamy. Another sperm fused with the two polar nuclei to form triploid endosperm. This is known as triple fusion. And this becomes the double fertilization. Is that clear? Now, thus we have completed the double fertilization in the angiospermic plants. Yes, this is the figure of this fertilization. Here pollen tube germinates and enters into the embryo sac, and this is two sperm and this is one polar nuclei. One tube nuclei, this degenerate and two release and fertilization process takes place. Thank you.